In this segment, we're going to do a basic machine overview, starting with the curing unit. The curing unit is actually a UV light assembly that's stored underneath this hood. Raise the hood with the handle and pull down the kickstand, which allows you to support the hood when open. Under the hood, you can see the UV lamp and elliptical reflector assembly. It's important to be able to access this for cleaning purposes. The lamp and reflector assembly should always be cleaned with a cotton cloth and alcohol. Never touch the lamp or reflector assembly with your hands. While open, you'll also note you have access to the conveyor belt, the light shield and back of the coating assembly, and the drain pan. It's important to periodically check these items just to make sure everything's in good order. Once you're done under the hood, you might say, go ahead and replace the stand in its position. Upon lowering the hood, you'll hear a click. That's actually a hidden micro switch that is a protective device, and when the hood is opened, will actually cut out the UV lamp, protecting you from exposure. From there, we move on to the coating stations. Both upper and lower coating stations are under the respective hoods. In the front, we have access to the coating tanks and the air knife regulator. By removing the front panel, we can access the 4-tank carousel. One is used for cleaning fluid and the other 3 for coating. You'll notice this is called the carousel, and if you notice, by unlocking this, it will allow the carousel to spin around. Typically, cleaner is put in the tank marked AL for alcohol, and then you have 3 other tanks marked A, B, and C. If you'll note, on the tank C, there's actually a blender mechanism which is used for matte coatings. The blender is connected to the electrical connection stored at the side of the machine. Also at the side of the machine is the air regulator that's used for the air knife. We'll cover that in a later section. Here we have the roller height adjustment. On the PhotoMates, we can adjust from 0, meaning the roller is fully closed, all the way to 15 millimeters open, allowing us to run rigid substrates as well. So it's a very versatile machine. As you adjust the roller up or down, you will see by the scale here on the side that the roller assembly is moving up or down. This scale indicates the full height position that we have from 0 to 15 millimeters. Moving further on, we have access to the pump housing, and also to the ballast for the lamp. These doors are normally kept locked with the key and used for servicing only. Also notice the exhaust port on the back of the machine. With every machine, we supply a 20-foot expandable hose. It's important to make the connection here and using the shortest distance possible to the outside, connected to the vent going outwards. On the back here, we have the collection station. The collection station should be adjusted to about a 30-degree angle to receive the prints. Using your number 5 Allen key, loosen the Allen here, and on either side, make your adjustment and then tighten it back up. The last bit of the adjustment is actually with this backing plate. Taking a representative print sample of what you're going to be running, position the print on the plate, on the tray, and loosen the plate and move the tray up so that the end of the print is about 1 inch from the end of the plate. Working our way back around the coater, on this side, located directly under the curing unit, is the electrical cabinet. The electrical cabinet, of course, is where the power source is connected, and it houses all of your electronic components. Quick turn downward of the handle and opening of the secure latch will gain access to this area. Side cabinet here houses both our air connection for our air knife and the linkage to raise and lower the roller carriage. And finally, we end up with the most important emergency stop switch. Upon pressing this button, the whole operation will shut down. To restart the machine, it's necessary to twist the button, allowing it to reset, and also restart the machine by pressing the green button.